Hello, and welcome back to Health is Wealth. Today we will be talking about gout-friendly food. 4 fruits. First is avocado. Has a low purine content, which is important for gout management. Purines break down into uric acid in the body, and high levels of uric acid can contribute to gout flare-ups. By consuming low purine foods like avocado, you can help minimize the risk of increased uric acid levels. Second is orange. Oranges are citrus fruits that are low in purines and high in vitamin C. Vitamin C has been associated with lower uric acid levels in the body, which can help reduce the risk of gout attacks. Additionally, oranges provide hydration due to their high water content. Third is apple. Apples are another fruit that is low in purines and high in fiber. Fiber plays a role in managing weight and promoting healthy digestion, which can be beneficial for gout management. Additionally, apples contain antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Fourth is banana. Bananas are a good source of vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, and a well-balanced blood pressure can help reduce the risk of gout attacks. Moreover, bananas are low in purines, making them a safe choice for individuals with gout. For vegetables, carrots, broccoli, and tomatoes can be included in a gout-friendly diet as they are generally considered safe for individuals with gout. Here's why these vegetables can be beneficial. Carrots. Carrots are low in purines and contain important nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin K, and fiber. They are a healthy addition to a gout-friendly diet due to their low purine content and potential anti-inflammatory properties. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that is rich in vitamins C and K, fiber, and various antioxidants. It has low purine levels and can be beneficial for individuals with gout due to its anti-inflammatory properties and potential to support overall health. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are low in purines and provide important nutrients such as vitamins A, C, and K, as well as lycopene, an antioxidant. They are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and can be a healthy addition to a gout-friendly diet. Next is whole grains, like brown rice. Low in purines. Brown rice is naturally low in purines, which are substances that can break down into uric acid in the body. High levels of uric acid can contribute to gout attacks. Choosing low purine foods like brown rice can help manage uric acid levels and reduce the risk of gout flare-ups. High in fiber. Brown rice is a good source of dietary fiber, which plays a role in maintaining a healthy weight, promoting regular digestion, and managing blood sugar levels. By incorporating fiber-rich foods like brown rice into your diet, you can support overall health and potentially reduce the risk of gout-related complications. Nutrient content. Brown rice retains more of its natural nutrients compared to refined white rice. It contains vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can contribute to overall well-being. While it's not a specific treatment for gout, consuming nutrient-dense foods like brown rice as part of a balanced diet can support overall health and potentially reduce the risk of certain health conditions associated with gout, such as cardiovascular disease. Next is dairy. Dairy products like low-fat milk, yogurt, and cheese can be beneficial for individuals with gout for several reasons. Low in purines. Low-fat dairy products are generally low in purines, which are substances that can break down into uric acid in the body. By choosing low purine dairy options, you can help manage uric acid levels and reduce the risk of gout flare-ups. Good source of calcium. Dairy products are excellent sources of calcium, a mineral essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Calcium is also important for muscle function and nerve transmission. Adequate calcium intake can be particularly beneficial for individuals with gout who may be at a higher risk of developing bone-related conditions, such as osteoporosis. Vitamin D content. Some dairy products are fortified with vitamin D, which plays a crucial role in calcium absorption and bone health. Vitamin D deficiency has been linked to an increased risk of gout, so consuming dairy products fortified with this vitamin can be beneficial. Probiotic benefits. Yogurt, in particular, contains beneficial bacteria known as probiotics that can support gut health and overall well-being. Maintaining a healthy gut microbiome has been associated with a reduced risk of chronic inflammatory conditions, including gout. Thanks for watching this video. For more health tips and updates, please like, share and subscribe. Health is wealth.